Yeah, no, it was, by then I already learned what I needed to learn.
What did you need to learn? What do you, for the listeners that are interested in high yield or running this, it's, I guess traditionally they call it more like, that's like almost like the sales and trading desk, like, or the high yield desk, or yeah.
Yeah, that's the difference, right? So in investment banks, if you say high yield, then it will be the syndicate typically desk, or sales. But in the commercial banks, you have sort of leverage finance split sometimes between the loans and the bonds.
Got it.
But what you are doing, you are originating high yield transactions. So you go to a client, pitch that they should do a bond or a loan, and then you structure.
It's exploding now because right, because it's so cheap. Every financing's so cheap.
Exactly. Well, in Europe we have it cheap for already quite a while.
That's true. Right? That's true. So it's
not a high yield; it's no yield.
No yield. Exactly. Like all subordinated debt yielding like 5% or whatever, or 3%, whatever it is there. That's crazy.